Shenzhen, Hotack Technology Company Limited, established in 2007, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of smart DLP projectors, new generation home storage and sharing device, TV box and other digital devices. Hotack is a professional second developer of Rock Chip, with many long-term cooperation customers from domestic digital brand manufacturers, cross-border electronic commerce, and foreign trade business. We are located in Shenzhen, China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, in addition, we have obtained CCC, CE, FCC, ROS, HDMI, and other certifications. Since its inception, we have accumulated dozens of patent and trademark registration rights worldwide. These are the basic guarantees for our customers to provide quality products. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Europe, UAE, Korea, Japan, and other countries in the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.